How's it going, guys? What's up? Hopefully, you're having a great weekend. I will be live here momentarily. Usually, I go live 3 p.m. Central Time on Saturdays, but today it's a little bit later. It's going to be 6 p.m. Central Time, but still going live like I do every single Saturday. So, there's a coin that's up 42% today. It's an altcoin, and it's in the top gainers on Coinbase. So, let's go check it out. Let's see what's going on, and let's see if it can keep going up or what this is all about. I haven't looked. I don't know what this coin is or anything. Try to give out the 200-day moving average today on that crazy wick. Let's go to the 3-day chart and see the long-term outlook of this coin. It looks really bad right now, just from a first glance. At one point, it says the all-time high was nearly $30, and now we're sitting at $2. So to me, you're in a massive downtrend. I don't know how much this is going to help to draw something like that. Let's go to the 3-day chart. And to me, actually, this is a coin I would not hold long term. I don't know anything about it, but just this chart alone does not look very good to me. But yeah, that's kind of it. The wicks get close to that resistance line. You try to get above it. But to me, right now, this is kind of what you're in. And I mean, actually, you're kind of holding this level right here pretty good at that $20, $30 level. So maybe if you hold that, you could have a nice breakout again. But for right now, this is kind of the downtrend you're in, downtrending or downsloping resistance. But that is very strong support that you have at that $30 level. So next time you test it, if you break it, then obviously that's really bearish. But for right now, if you stay above that, you're gonna, with this resistance coming down and this support at $30, you could have a nice breakout if this does want to happen. Let's go to the daily chart and zoom in a little bit more. It looks like you tried to break it. So maybe this is one you do watch. The thing is, on the daily chart RSI, that still has a lot of room to go to the upside. So this is a coin that does not look super bullish right now. It probably needs to cool down a little bit. But if you look at the daily chart, I do like where the daily is sitting on the RSI right now. And I also like the fact that you could be in a massive falling wedge on this asset. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and kind of see how it's looking. The 4-hour chart is very much overbought, but you made a higher high. So this thing could have legs in the next few days once it takes a cool down on the smaller timeframes, such as the 4-hour chart. 1-hour chart already got a small correction. And actually, now when I zoom into the 1-hour chart, you could almost draw a falling wedge, or actually I would say it's more of a bull flag, which bull flags break to the upside 70% of the time. And let's see, the measure move would be from the top of the wick to where the bottom started. Your measure move for the next leg up, if this did want to rip, would be 288. This is actually a coin that could have a nice move in the coming days. If I had some money to put in it, I might. And also, it's well above the 200-day moving average on the 1-hour chart. It's well above the 200-day moving average on the 4-hour chart. So to me, this is a coin I'd watch. It needs to cool down on the smaller time frames, such as the 4-hour chart. But this is one I would definitely watch. RAD coin on Coinbase, and I'm assuming it's on KuCoin as well. So with that being said, guys, that's all I got. This actually does look juicy longer term in the next few days, but short term, it's one I would wait for a smaller correction on. But because it's flagging out, I don't expect a huge dump either. So, I'm not financial advice, but that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking for this to have another move to the upside based on probabilities. So that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate if you hit that like button. If you don't like it, make sure you just hit that dislike button twice. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, trade safe and have a great weekend, and I will be live in a few moments.